Welcome to YouTube, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we're diving into something special, something that blends classic Americana with modern muscle. This is the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck, a machine that pays homage to history while stepping boldly into the future. At first glance, you'll be forgiven for thinking it rolled straight out of the 1970s. Its boxy design, chrome accents, and bold grille scream vintage, yet everything underneath is state-of-the-art. GMC has taken the soul of an old-school pickup and fused it with cutting-edge engineering. This truck doesn't just look retro, it feels like a time machine, but one built for 2025. Let's talk design. The 2025 vintage pickup brings back the squared-off body panels, round headlamps, and that unmistakable stance that made the original a classic. But look a little closer, and you'll notice LED lighting seamlessly integrated into the vintage housing. Those 18-inch steel-look wheels. They're hiding performance tires and modern braking systems. Even the mirrors, which look old-school, are equipped with cameras for blind spot monitoring. Pop open the hood, and it's clear this isn't your granddad's pickup. Depending on the trim, you might find a turbocharged inline-4, a V8, or even an electric powertrain delivering instant torque. GMC has given buyers the freedom to choose between nostalgia and innovation, power and efficiency, or both. Inside the cabin, it's a beautiful collision of old and new. Classic bench seating wrapped in leather, analog-inspired gauges, and wood grain accents create that warm, familiar feel. But right there in the center, a fully digital touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and GMC's latest infotainment system. It's vintage vibes, but with 21st century tech at your fingertips. This truck isn't just about looks or power, it's about experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on a weekend escape, the 2025 vintage pickup delivers comfort, control, and capability. With upgraded suspension, improved towing capacity, and optional four-wheel drive, it's more than a pretty face, it's a workhorse built for today's roads. And let's not forget the customization potential. GMC knows its audience, and they've opened the doors wide for mods and personalization. From custom paint jobs and lifted suspensions to retro decals and performance upgrades, this truck is a blank canvas for your personality. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is more than a tribute, it's a reimagination. It proves that heritage doesn't have to mean outdated, and that classic design can still have a place in a modern world. Whether you're a die-hard truck enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the mix of form and function, this is one vehicle you don't want to miss. So if you're ready to turn heads, relive the golden era of pickups, and enjoy all the perks of today's automotive tech, this truck might just be your dream ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more auto content coming your way soon.